Our first episodes were mostly about maintenance and some mild modifications, which is cool, don't get me wrong, but with this one we shall finally justify the LMG Lab name. We are gonna take you on a journey of modifying a street E82 135i into a full-blown race car. That unfortunately comes with sleepless nights, anxiety attacks, mental health issues, but my angle grinder is the best therapist out there, so let's get creative. With the first session behind us, I already feel a lot better. We did demolish the car a bit, but that's a part of the therapy. We cut out the glass, drilled the roof out, installed the cage, cut the doors, cut the rear panels, cut the dash, cut everything. Let's see the video and see how it all went down. I can't stay. Our friend Jaka from 99 Works just did an awesome job with fitting this cage. But it's now our turn to get the car ready for the paint job, to install that 1M body kit, and to do all of that small stuff that's needed to convert this into a real rolling race car. So make sure to follow the next LMG Lab episodes to find out how we did all of that.